Hi everyone! Today I wanted to introduce you to one of my favorite gadgets. This is the Statik 360 Pro, and it's the only cable you will ever need. It's a 6'6" multi-purpose cable, capable of charging all your devices. From your iPhone, AirPods, and MacBook, to your drone, iPad, and all your tech essentials. This cable can charge them all. It works with the Blitz Charge technology, which can charge your devices with up to 100 watts, covering the needs of all the tech you might have lying around. One thing I love about the 360 Pro is that it's using a 360-degree rotatable head, which won't put any stress neither on the cable itself nor the device you're charging with it. Also, this cable is super durable. Having a tough exterior made from high-grade braided nylon, it can certainly take a beating. And I'm not afraid that it will wear and tear from everyday use whatsoever. Inside the package, you will find 3 different tips. One Type-C, one Lightning, and one micro USB. As well as one super convenient USB-C to USB-A adapter, which is attached to the cable, making sure you can use it with all the different power bricks. Plus, one silicone tie with a tip organizer to keep everything in one place. As for the tips themselves, they come in with pretty strong magnets, making sure you never misplug your phone and waking up to find that it only charged to 15%. One feature that isn't always mentioned when talking about cables is the transfer speeds. With 480 megabytes per second, you can be rest assured that all your files, songs, and photos will be transferred in a matter of seconds. It is also the perfect transfer speed for Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto. Last but certainly not least, it comes with a 1-year warranty, keeping you safe in the long run. Thanks for staying with me until the end of this video. If you want to find out more about the Statik 360 Pro, make sure to visit statik.com.